Why is everything chrome?
Man, this beat got me feeling like the franchise boys in this bitch. Lean with it, rock with it. Lean, sweat, rock.
What's up, host? I'm Mary.
I'm Zharya.
And today, Zharya is really scared because we're driving to Starbucks and she taking her out that she never took before. But for 24 hours, we're going to be eating what the person in front of us eats from our food restaurant. So we're going to get really fat today. All right, guys. So we're at Starbucks right now, and
Yeah, so y'all know what we about to do.
let's do this challenge. I hope they understand what we're saying because people be acting like they don't understand what they're saying. Like,
When they ask.
yeah, we're getting what this blue car in front of us is getting, or whatever color that is, gray, blue. She ordered so fast, girl. We ain't gonna get nothing from here.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to Starbucks. This is Jennifer. What can I get started for you today?
Hi, can we get the same exact order as the person in front of us?
You got it. Anything else for you guys?
No, that'll be all. It's like my first time at Starbucks. Like, I ain't never been to Starbucks.
I've been to Starbucks a lot of times. I've been getting a vanilla bean.
Just to let y'all know, it's 10:34 right now.
We're supposed to be at school.
So it's early, so
We're supposed to be at school, y'all.
yeah, we supposed to be at school, but we're not at school. So no, we're not bad kids. Don't think that. So we decided to come to Starbucks early because, you know, Starbucks is like, you know, like it's like an early type thing.
RSV 504.
Here you go. Oh my god, my hair was in. What?
Great one today.
You too. Oh, it's nice here.
Bro, get 2 sugar.
Can I get a straw? Actually,
This is the Starbucks drink. VT latte vanilla.
let me try it.
Venti. I'm scared, y'all. Is it hot?
I really don't like coffee either. Is it good?
It's disgusting.
Let me see. What's sugar in there?
Is it?
That's nasty.
You keep it.
What do you mean I keep it, girl? I'm not drinking this no more. That's hot too. So yeah, y'all. So yeah, that one was a fail. I don't like this.
Me either. It's disgusting.
It would have been nice if we got something really good.
Like that we wanted. Like I wanted.
I don't know what I wanted. I just wanted something that was like good.
I don't
like
like
coffee.
being cold. I wanted something cold.
I don't like coffee either, so I'm more of a tea type person.
That shit tastes disgusting.
Yeah. Yeah, that was nasty, y'all. So on to the next location. That Starbucks drink was nasty, baby. It was nasty.
And I'm telling you, disgusting. Like when I
What is
say
this called?
venti vanilla bean. That's what I think.
Who gets this?
It's bubbling at the top. It just was not it.
I don't like coffee either, and I'm pretty sure that was coffee. So yeah, so the person in front of us, that was a fail.
But I thought a latte was
That
a
was a fail.
frappuccino. Yeah, there's literally like nobody in this line.
Damn.
Legit nobody in this line.
You never gonna have to wait, right?
They from Ohio. They probably
Oh man,
they probably taking a break.
It looked like they stacking
They
up.
probably
It looked like they
taking a
getting a
break,
lot.
They taking a break off the highway.
It looked like they,
Highway,
they order was like
my way or the highway,
was like
my way. Wait, or the highway. That's what they're doing.
I'm good. Alright. Hello. Hi, can I get the same order as the person that was in front of me? Yeah, sure.
5:30, please.
Thank you.
I got you. You know.
Pick a
Y'all
20 cent.
Oh, she know we was recording.
I don't know what we got really. They talking about quarter pound. I don't know
But we're
what
going
that
to a
is.
different place, and you got to pay at that place.
Okay. Nope. Is that right there? What?
They say drive through.
Oh, okay. I don't know where I'm going.
But we're going next to the person in coffee.
I'm good. Oh, should I go right by them? I'm going right by them.
We're going to see.
That person, Mary, the person right there, literally by.
Yeah, why are you repricing?
Mary, because I want to
Why
park
is it
here.
holding everybody? Look at that boy holding too.
It says drive through. Where drive through at? Oh, it's right. Oh, it's right there. So y'all, we
Legit sitting
right
next to the person.
next to the person that we got the same order as, and they ain't got the food.
No.
2,000 years
later.
I know we here as well, because I'm gonna be mad as well.
Before them?
Huh?
Who's here before them?
I know. So, I don't know.
Did they give them our order? This is just like the movies, guys.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Wait, see what it is. Well, that's not it.
No,
Well, that's not it.
yes it is.
What? It was nuggets. I was trying to tell you before she went in.
It's a quarter pound of 10. You about to go in there? I think we had 10 nuggets.
Oh.
Damn, she said she did put it in there. Oh no, she didn't.
It's fries.
Okay.
Alright, y'all. So we finally got.
No, I'm not happy. I'm not happy to record this video, y'all. I need something to drink and she's making me down.
No, she's trying to already go to Taco Bell. I'm like, girl, we're gonna be having to eat two things at the same time. Like,
we need to go see if we're gonna get something from the next restaurant.
maybe you don't know. And what if we don't get a drink? Then we gotta eat two things at the same. We're gonna have to eat two things. Anyways, let me show y'all what this boy got. This dude got that was in front of us. A quarter pounder cheese. Never had it before.
And then he got 10-piece nuggets.
And then I think they just gave us extra.
They
fry.
gave us fry.
They just gave us fry because.
And he got it with barbecue sauce, but who eats barbecue sauce? Not I. A few days ago.
This look good though. I love this. Look like a cheeseburger. I love it.
Don't nobody want no hot drink, man.
I love it.
Zara just hit the curve like 5 times, y'all.
I was trying to park because there was nobody at Taco Bell, so I was trying to park. And
Now somebody in here. When she was backing up, she's about to hit the worst one too. That's so funny stuff.
Yeah, finally
she ordered a lot, bro. She ordered a lot, bro.
Oh, I hope she ordered.
It's a girl this time, y'all. I'm pretty sure a girl would have the that.
There is a girl. I can see the girl.
Yeah, she would have the instance to get a drink. Like a boy, I don't know. We got 2 boys.
Hopefully, I really honestly don't even feel like eating right now no more. Like
me either. So I just want something to drink.
we don't feel like eating right now. Hi, can I get the same exact order as the person in front of me? Just got
The exact same way.
Yep. Exact same way, everything.
They actually can they do it probably.
Anything else?
No, that'll be all.
Okay, 11:44 out the window.
All right, thank you. Bro, her order was so much. I'm about to be mad, Mary. I'm about to be mad.
Bro, we gonna eat it.
All right.
It's 8:48.
48? Okay. 5.
So the car for me, I messed up their order. They got a box. You want that box that they got?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, that's it's 8:48.
48? Thank you.
I get the first sip. I swear I do. Just give me my fucking sip.
Do I sit here? Because that girl went over there.
No, she didn't. Yeah.
Oh, I thought she did.
No, she didn't.
I didn't even see her get her food. I don't know. Is it good? What type of drink is that? What drink is that?
Mm-hmm.
Let me get some.
Kind of feel weird because I
Mary, let
haven't
me
had
get
popping in a
some.
long
Like,
time.
you taking all day. Thank you, you too.
Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces fast, I'm home.
Okay, so we got at Taco Bell. We got this drink that we've been waiting for, y'all. We've been waiting for a drink. It's a green Mountain Dew.
Yeah, and we got this bag. I don't know what's in the bag. But yeah, Taco Bell was our last place. So yeah, this is our last
Restaurant.
Is this a cookie? Are they so empanadas?
Wow, y'all, that's the empanada.
And then there's 2 tacos up in here. They got a lot, y'all. The person in front of us got a lot of food. This soft taco.
This is a soft taco.
This soft taco as well.
And then we got a box from Taco Bell. And we got some Taco Bell chips. Oh shit, one drop. Shit,
We gonna make those chips.
We got a bean burrito.
And this is a soft taco chicken and steak.
Steak.
Y'all, I know.
She
We
about
not
to
even
go to
gonna eat
fuck
all
in.
this, y'all.
That girl about to go to fuck in. That's what she doing.
Y'all, we ain't even gonna eat all this.
Nobody was with her, y'all. It was just her. She must have been doing this challenge too.
For real, cause but I'm gonna try this empanada, y'all. This was our last place because it's too much.
I thought somebody just.
Yeah, we sound dumb at. It's not no empanada, man.
What is it?
It's like an apple pie thing.
Oh, it tastes sweet. I don't like.
We're
sweet
retarded.
stuff.
I don't know. It is
What
kind of
is an
sweet.
empanada, bro? Let's try to chip though.
Yeah, I really don't eat at Taco Bell. I like homemade tacos. I might try the soft taco. Of course, we ain't gonna eat everything because this girl, she got a
We got
lot.
hot chips in it.
I like her stuff, but I don't know how that's gonna be. Good. It's the same one.
Oh, she got the chipmunk too.
Pretty good.
It actually is good. I'm gonna taste the chip. That's actually good. There we go.
The most food we got was at Taco Bell. It was, right? We only got one thing at Starbucks. Guys, like and enjoy this video. Please subscribe and like
And
comment because we don't really get
Tell us some
we
video
don't-
ideas.
Yeah, tell us some video ideas. We don't really get comments and all that.
Yeah.
We got like 700 subscribers, but it seemed like they are like ghosts.
Peace.
All right, peace out.